Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So Crystal lost a bet, so she is doing a yellow rice recipe today, which she is calling wild chicken and rice. Alright, so as you can see, our yellow rice is already cooked in the pot. And what's next, Crystal?
We already chopped up some chicken breast we got from the deli.
Yep.
So that goes in the pot next.
Alright, our chicken is in. What's next?
Next, you see that bag of bacon bits?
Yep.
Who doesn't love bacon bits?
Nobody I know.
All those bacon bits.
All those bacon bits. That looks good. Alright, the bacon bits are in, and this already looks really good. I'm excited. What should we do next?
Our favorite, can you guess what it is?
The cheddar cheese?
Yeah?
Alright, we've got a can of Campbell's cheddar cheese going in. Alright, the cheddar cheese is in. This is looking yummy. And Crystal and I were just talking and realized that Crystal was also going to be doing a chicken recipe coming up from a previous bet, and she actually killed two birds with one stone, doing a yellow rice recipe and a chicken recipe together. Alright, so what should we do next, Crystal?
You see those 2 cans of refried beans?
Yep, 2 cans refried beans.
Yep.
Alright, so the refried beans are mixed in. I'm actually going to be taking this one home with me, so when I get home I'm just going to put it on the stove and let it simmer, and it'll be good to go. Thank you so much for watching Recipes Mania, and we'll be back next time.